Welcome back to Tech Instro. Hey friends, this is a xenon light source, one of the brightest, most intense artificial lights in existence. It's the secret behind IMAX projectors, surgical lighting, and even NASA's solar simulations. But how does it work, and why is it still used despite LEDs and lasers? Let's find out. What is a xenon light source? A xenon light is an arc lamp filled with xenon gas under high pressure. When electricity jumps between two electrodes, it excites the xenon atoms, producing an incredibly bright white light that closely mimics sunlight. If you want to purchase this amazing product, link is given in the description. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get back to the topic. How does xenon light source work? Here's the science. When you apply high voltage, the gas ionizes, creating a plasma arc that reaches up to 10,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the sun. The result? A blindingly bright light with a color temperature around 6,000 K, almost identical to daylight. That's why scientists use xenon lamps to simulate sunlight in labs, and why Hollywood relies on them for ultra-high-definition projectors. Where are xenon lights used? Cinema and projectors. Xenon lamps are the gold standard for cinema projectors because of their brightness and color accuracy. Next time you watch an IMAX film, thank Xenon for that crisp image. Endoscopy and surgery lights. In medicine, Xenon's pure white light helps doctors see inside the body with perfect clarity during surgeries and endoscopic procedures. Automotive and aerospace. Ever seen those piercing blue-white headlights? Those are xenon HIDs, brighter and more efficient than old halogens. Science and industry, NASA and research labs use xenon lamps to simulate sunlight for testing solar panels and materials in space-like conditions. Xenon lights' advantages and challenges. Xenon lights are powerful, but they're not perfect. Let's break it down. Pros of xenon: near-perfect sunlight spectrum, extremely bright up to 30,000 lumens. Long lifespan. Cons of xenon: runs extremely hot, requires cooling systems, high power consumption, expensive compared to LEDs. And, yeah, if they fail, they can explode. That's why proper cooling and voltage control are crucial. Future of xenon lights. With LEDs and lasers getting better, are xenon lights becoming obsolete? Not quite. While LEDs dominate consumer lighting, xenon still rules in high-end applications where nothing else matches its brightness and spectrum. For precision lighting, xenon is still unbeatable in many cases. It's not going away anytime soon. So next time you see a super bright light in a projector, car, or lab, you'll know. It's probably xenon. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, where have you seen xenon lights in action?